Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's May 23rd, Wednesday morning, and some volatility here overnight in the grains. We've got soybeans and wheat under pressure, corn kind of mixed here at this time. But the main focus is on weather. We're seeing weather forecasts change. The 6 to 10 day forecast here overnight came in wetter than even last night, so that's getting some pressure put on especially new crop beans, as well as bean progress. Planting progress was well above expectations last week, so that is a focus. Also watching various models on the 11 to 15 day patterns and putting no buildup of this heat dome coming back at this point, with some moisture in the Midwest. So looking for some decent coverage here next week. Drew Lerner has got moisture here in the Midwest starting basically Monday. So a lot different than just a few days. And we've also got the hot dome that we're going to see through much of the eastern corn belt here Saturday, Sunday, Monday, is going to move out next week. So that's critically important as the traders get set and get their position set for a long weekend here just ahead of us. Also, some good moistures coming in earlier than that, as early as Friday, Saturday in the hard spring area, hard red wheat spring area, and that is putting some pressure on the wheat prices. Also, weather forecast out of Russia is finally seeing the signs of potential some rain in their spring growing areas, and that also is combining with some selling pressure in the French wheat here today, and is carrying over into the Chicago Board of Trade prices. The grain futures are also running into some headwinds here as they try to work through the macro markets. Japan credit was downgraded yesterday by Fitch. We also have the Greece debt situation that is kind of cooled off here some, but just in the last 24 to 48 hours has stirred up again, with the French president saying that they haven't ruled out the possibility of Greece leaving the European community. The Greece debt is also a concern. Some elections that are coming up in Europe where the Socialist Democrat Party is taking over. So the austerity plans that have been put in place are under jeopardy at this point in time. And that's creating a lot of concern. It's causing the euro to come under pressure and the strength in the dollar, which makes it tougher for export business. We're also hearing that China is possibly moving some of its purchases to new crop in the corn and in the soybeans, because crush margins there suggest that it's the right thing to do. Their profit situations has tightened. The slowdown in the economy in China is a concern. Reports on the iron ore sales and the hard commodities here that the sales continue to slow down. China either is reneging on their contracts or rolling out contracts there, which is creating the evidence that China is economy is definitely slowing down, and that's a huge concern. It's a concern for investor attitude as we go into the end of the month here and the end of the week. In the livestock trade, we've got dressed beef. Yesterday was up 57 cents in select. Choice was down 31 cents. we expected that here first few days of this week. From now through the balance of the week, we expect to see some downward pressure on it as fill-in buying for the holiday and shortly after the holiday is probably complete. Also, we had cold storage numbers out yesterday for meat, not very friendly to the pork and beef. We've seen larger numbers in storage on beef and pork for this time of year, and that certainly is filling in that supply side that we're going into here in the hogs, where we're looking at tighter numbers. We've certainly got meat in storage to smooth out that shortfall. Pork cutout values yesterday were down $2.09. So looking at some very choppy markets here for the next couple days as we go into the weekend, and certainly a reason to stay with Allendale's research. Check us out on the web here on the Allendale Research Center. Also want to thank everybody that attended the first Allendale Ag Leaders webinar last night. We had a huge crowd, and we thank you for that. And if anybody has any questions that still remain, you can email us or just give us a call. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you've got. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.